Hello everyone, welcome back to Strive Grid. Today we are looking at how to add glitter in Canva. But for demonstration purposes, we will be adding glitter to this very image because it is much more visible. You can add glitter to anything. So let's get started. You don't have to select anything, just click on elements. In elements, search glitter here and you will have ample of glitters. Mind well, I have a premium account and you won't be able to use these icons or these glitters, sorry, which has that crown icon on it. So for simplicity, let's select something which does not have that glitter, sorry, which does not have that crown icon. So this is the one or this is the one. No, this is not the one. So let's use this one. And as you can see, you have added the glitter to the picture. So this is how simple it is to add glitter to the picture, and depending on what element you are using, you will get the options to change the color or make it lighter or darker, but not every element will allow you this particular option. As you can see, in this very element we do not have the option to add or change the color of that very glitter. And please mind well, the actual glittering icons or the images which are actually glittering, when you export, they will be steady, and Canva warns you that these images, which are GIFs actually, will not get exported as a video. If you are downloading it as an image, you will see the glitter but you won't see the movement, so please bear that in mind. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.